As you stand on the large granite outcrop and take in the view, a million thoughts run through your head. About the road that got you here, the breathtaking views, endless waterfalls, and the historic towns and villages you visited. But there's a dominating one, and it's exciting. This one is the feeling of anticipation. As you look at the road that winds down the hill in the low afternoon light, you know you are getting closer to tonight's stopover. But there is still a lot to experience. Your journey through New England High Country is yours to decide. And you can come back as often as you like, as there are always new experiences to discover. There's enough to please any type of traveller, a history buff or a nature indulger, a foodie or an adventurer looking for the freedom of the open road. Throughout the region, you are greeted by friendly faces every step of the way. Be it at the coffee shop you stopped for breakfast, or at the pub where you sat down for a generous country meal. Nothing beats honest country hospitality. The best holiday is the one where you don't have to worry about filling your day with things to do. The day just fills itself. There's never a dull moment when you're in New England High Country, and there's something new to explore around every corner. The recipe for the ultimate adventure includes a location overflowing with opportunity, excitement, and new experiences. New England High Country has it all, whether you ride solo or tour with family and friends. Imagine you're waking up in the morning and heading out to explore. All you need is a starting point and a rough idea of a destination. What happens in between is your choice. You'll find smiles for miles on our open roads and an adventure full of history and generosity in New England High Country. Make it your own.